Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be receiving and unloading freight into our warehouse building. What we want to do is select our freight tab in the middle of the screen. And then it's going to populate the list of inbound trucks that we're expecting to receive. Then we're going to click into the truck that we want to take action on. So I'm going to click into inbound 2, and it's going to pull up some manifest details. I want to highlight the take action button at the top of the screen. So I'm going to click take action, and it's going to populate a list of options. Here, I want to select the unload option. When I do so, it's going to pull up the camera on my phone. A few things to highlight is at the very top here, it's going to let us know how many items we've received versus how many items we're expecting to scan in. So here I'm going to scan in 4 different items. Directly below that, the app is prompting me for an action, right? It wants me to scan a location. So I'm going to walk over and scan my warehouse location. So now when I scan my inbound location, we can see here at the bottom of the app, I'm now set to my inbound location. And I can scan as much freight as I can fit into that location. So now I'm going to walk over and scan some of the items that I just got done labeling. And we can see at the top of the app that that number is beginning to change. Now I've scanned in 1 out of 4 pieces. I can continue and carry my next item over to my inbound location, and we can see that that item is now 2 out of 4. And if for any reason I need to see what I've scanned versus what I haven't, I can select these 2 lines on the top right, and it will pull up the list of items that I'm expecting to process. Now here we can see that I've scanned 2 out of 4. If I want to isolate the items that I haven't scanned yet, I can click this button and show remaining items only. And now I know that these are the 2 items that I need to process. If for any reason I fill up my inbound location and need to move to a different location, I can select set a new location and then walk over to that location, scan the QR, and now I'm set to the new location. So here we're going to finish up these last 2 items. Go grab my next piece. And now we can see that I've hit that threshold and completed my 4 out of 4 item scan. It's letting me know that my unload has been complete. And this is how you can receive and unload on the Warehouse mobile app.